Good morning, Nora. Breakfast is ready.
Good morning, Mom. Why do you always look in the mirror, Nora? Because I want to look good, Leo. You look the same every day. I'm not eating breakfast with you today.
Look great, feel great, every single day.
Wow, her hair looks so stylish. Yes, I can do that. I just need scissors. Her hair looks so stylish. I can do that too. I just need to fix it a little bit. Just a little trim. That is all. Okay, Nora, you can do this. Just a tiny little trim. The left side is a little longer. I need to fix it. Oh, oh no!
Nora, are you okay in there?
Yes, Mom, I'm fine. Just brushing my hair. This side is still not even. One more time. That is okay. That is okay. It is fine.
Good morning, Nora. How are
Hi,
you?
Daddy. I am great. Very good.
Nora, what is that in your hand?
Okay. One. Cut. Just a little bit. Snip, 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 snip. Oh no, oh no, 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 no! Nora! What happened to your hair? Stop laughing, Leo! It is a little funny. Leo!
Nora, sweetheart, I think we need Mom's help.
Can you fix it, Mom?
Yes, my love, I can fix it. Everything is okay. You know, Nora, next time, just ask me. I love doing your hair.
I know, Mom. I am sorry.
Open your eyes, sweetheart.
Mom, it is actually cute.
You look beautiful.
Okay. You look not bad, Nora. Thank you, Leo.
Nora, sweetheart, it's time for school.
Okay, Mom. I'm ready.
Good morning, Nora.
Good morning. Nora, your new hair looks amazing. It really suits you. Thank you. Nora, your hair, it looks so cute. I love your new look. You look so cool. Really? Thank you. Stylish. I am stylish.
Like your new hair, sweetheart.
Thank you, Daddy. Mom helped me fix it. Next time, I will ask Mom to help me too.
That's a much better idea.